So I'm Raman Ramachandran. I'm the Dean and Director at the KJ Somaiya Institute of Management. So we're going to start a new initiative at KJ Somaiya Institute of Management called the Career Conversations, where we will invite senior leaders at CXO and CEO levels in various organizations, and people who have had very inspirational impact to come and talk to us. The whole logic behind this is that MBA and getting your first job is just a way of putting your foot into the door of an organization. Career is like a marathon. It lasts 20, 30 years. It opens up a number of different opportunities. And careers are made when you make the right decision, when you take the right kind of risk, and when you're really willing to be outside your comfort zone. So these conversations, we hope, will really allow MBA students to understand the importance of recognizing and understanding what does it take to have a great career in your life. And by the way, I will be the first guest at the Career Conversations on the 15th of July. And I've had a very checkered career. I've taken a lot of risks. I've taken a lot of choices. Some of it have been coincidental. And it has always led me to a great career. And I hope to discuss some of that. And hopefully you will learn something from that conversation.